Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Samsung keyboard sounds in Samsung Galaxy A55. So where to look for our system sounds and how to turn them off or on. So first of all we need to go to Settings. In Settings we are looking for Sounds and Vibration menu, and in here we have our system sounds. And here we have our options. So as you can see, we have a few of them turned off. We are interested in turning off Samsung keyboard sounds. So it's basically a checkbox. It's a little bit hidden in system sounds. No need to save. We can safely close all the menus, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.